In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can log out of your ClickUp account. So without further ado, let's begin. Now, this would be easy. First, open your ClickUp on your web browser. As long as you choose the sign in option, your ClickUp account will stay signed in whenever you go to this site right here. But how would you do or what would you do if you want to log out and let's say switch to another account? So we're going to go to our top right here and access our profile. From here, as you can see, a long list in this drop-down menu will appear. Simply scroll down and on the bottommost part, we will see the logout option. Click on that and as easy as that, you've now logged out of your ClickUp account in which you can now select another email or another account that you want to log in. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.